Heavy feeders like tomatoes and cucumbers require a constant supply of nutrients to produce a successful harvest. Without the right boost, these plants often struggle with yellowing leaves, stunted growth, and fruit that rots before it can even ripen. Providing a specialized liquid supplement helps bridge the gap between basic soil and a thriving garden. This natural boost works by strengthening the physical structure of the plant from the inside out, making the stems tougher and the fruit much more resilient to common problems like bottom end rot. It also creates a living environment in the dirt that helps the roots absorb minerals much faster than they could on their own. Beyond just feeding the plants, this method focuses on the health of the entire garden ecosystem. By encouraging the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, you create a natural defense system that crowds out harmful diseases and fungi. This means your vines stay greener for longer and are less likely to be wiped out by common garden plagues. Since the nutrients are delivered in a liquid form, they are available to the plant almost instantly, providing a quick surge of energy during the critical stages of flowering and fruiting. This leads to a more productive garden with vegetables that are not only larger but also much more flavorful. To begin the process of making this powerful fertilizer, follow these steps carefully. First, you will need to gather your base liquid. Take about 1 liter of lukewarm dairy milk. The temperature is important because it helps the other ingredients activate properly. You do not need fresh milk for this. In fact, this is the perfect way to use up milk that has gone sour or past its expiration date. The milk provides essential calcium and proteins that are vital for building strong plant cells and preventing fruit rot. Next, add 3 tablespoons of molasses to the milk. Use a spoon to stir it thoroughly until the molasses is completely dissolved. The molasses acts as a high-energy food source. It contains carbon and various trace minerals that act like fuel for the beneficial bacteria living in your garden soil. Without this sugar source, the biological part of this fertilizer wouldn't be nearly as effective. Once the molasses is mixed in, add about 20 grams of dry yeast. This is the same dry yeast used for baking bread. Stir the mixture gently to make sure the yeast is wet and distributed throughout the milk. Now, let the container sit for a minimum of 30 minutes. During this time, the yeast will begin to eat the sugars in the milk and molasses, causing a reaction. You will see the mixture start to bubble and expand. If the weather is cold, this process might take a bit longer, so be patient until you see that the yeast is active. After the 30 minutes have passed and the mixture has expanded, prepare a large bucket with 10 liters of water. Pour your yeast, milk and molasses mixture into the water and stir it well. This dilutes the nutrients so they are safe for the plant roots to absorb without being overwhelmed. Now, take this finished liquid and pour it directly onto the soil at the base of your tomatoes and cucumbers. While it is designed for these heavy feeders, you can also give it to other plants in your garden that look like they need a boost. It is very important to remember that you must use this fertilizer immediately. Because the yeast is alive and the milk is organic, the mixture will continue to ferment. The benefits of using these specific ingredients are numerous. The milk acts as a natural calcium supplement, which is the #1 requirement for preventing the black spots on the bottom of tomatoes. The molasses feeds the tiny microbes in the dirt, which in turn break down organic matter into a form that plants can actually digest. The yeast releases B vitamins and enzymes that act as a growth stimulant, forcing the roots to grow deeper and wider. Using this kitchen-based formula is a great way to save money while avoiding harsh chemical fertilizers. It recycles household waste into something productive and ensures that your homegrown food is as healthy as possible. By following this simple procedure, you are giving your garden a professional-grade treatment using nothing but basic pantry staples. Your plants will respond with darker green leaves, stronger vines, and a much larger harvest of fresh, delicious vegetables.